A refrigerator that has a condition of the freezer is not freezing things solid like it should, and it's running all the time, so it's on all the time, full duty cycle, won't stop. So I just said that the back of it is probably clogged full of dust, and I was right. So we can take a look. Just pulled the back cover off. You can just tell by the back cover how bad it is, and you can see how clogged full that is. That just can't breathe whatsoever. So they make a little wand that you can get that has bristles on it that'll kind of help you get all this crap out. But yeah, definitely want to vacuum it off. We'll vacuum it here in a minute. Get this plugged in. Thank you.
Jesus. I'm clumsy. I'm sorry about that.
Oh crap. You getting it all, Johnny?
Mm-hmm.
So you can see that the fins on the heat exchanger. So yeah, definitely is an issue. It's amazing that it worked at all, right, Piper? You know what I mean?
She says, whatever you say, dude.
Yeah. Thank you, Eric. I hope it'll run again. Oh my gosh, yeah. And the other thing too is this thing would leak a lot of water, so it just was basically building up a lot of ice, I guess. I don't know. I wish we had a brush or something.
What?
A brush? Like a paintbrush or something? It'll run a lot better now, but
I was gonna say, whatever you do is gonna make it better.
yeah. Just have to pretty much get in every orifice you can. Just want to be careful of your refrigeration lines.